In today's video, we will be sharing with you this delicious glazed kielbasa appetizer recipe. Welcome to Tasty and Quick Recipes. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications if you enjoy this video. For this recipe, you will need Polska kielbasa, pineapple quarters, toothpicks, 1 tablespoon of chili sauce, 1 tablespoon of honey, 1 tablespoon of teriyaki sauce, and 1 tablespoon of pineapple juice. In a bowl, start by combining the chili sauce, honey, teriyaki sauce, and the pineapple juice. We're going to set this aside for later. Now we're going to slice the kielbasa. Over top of the sliced kielbasa, we're going to place a pineapple piece. Use a toothpick to secure them together. Coat them with the sauce mixture we made earlier and place them on a foil-lined baking sheet. We're going to bake this in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. Our glazed kielbasa appetizer is complete, and now you can plate and serve. We hope you enjoy!